Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumit and I'm here with my new video in Salesforce CRM customization. The topic for today video is the dashboard updates in Spring 24. So recently Salesforce released Spring 24 for in Salesforce updates, and in dashboard they had made some changes. So in this video, I will be going to show you that what changes they have incorporated in dashboard and how those changes or how those modifications will be helpful to us. So before I begin this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so far, please do subscribe that so that you will get the updates about the more videos on Salesforce and other technology. So let me show you what changes, what modifications has been done by Salesforce in Salesforce dashboards. And for that, this is my Salesforce instance. That's my Salesforce environment. So if guys, all of you remember my previous videos where I have demonstrated how do we create Salesforce reports and dashboards. And there I have explained that how do we create Salesforce dashboards, how do we create dashboards in Salesforce. Previously, whenever we used to create a dashboard, we used to add a component. We used to call them components, and there was an option called add components. And there we used to add components on our dashboard. And when we click on the component, it allow us to select the reports which we have prepared, which we have designed. But now the Salesforce released Salesforce basically they release an update, and here in updates, instead of the components, they renamed it as widgets. Let me show you. So I'll create a new dashboard here. And when I click on dashboard, let's say sales dashboard, sales dashboard, and I'll keep it in the private folder. So now you can see instead of the components option, add components option, we will be getting an option called widgets. So we are getting an option called widgets. And when I click on widgets, we will be getting three widgets here. The chart or table, text or image. This so in the previous version of the dashboard, in the previous version of Salesforce dashboard, we used to have only chart option was there, only the chart option or the component option was there. But now they have incorporated the text and the image option also. And how this text and image option will be helpful. For example, if we want to add a logo, if I just want to place a logo on my dashboard, which was not there in the previous version, I can use this option. So I can click on image, I can click image, and let's suppose I just click on gallery, and we can upload an image from our drive. For example, I select this and click on add, and you can see we can upload an image. So an image can be uploaded. Okay, so many times we would like to display the company logo on the dashboard. So this will help in that. Now, in order to add the heading for the dashboard, so for that we can use the text widget. And let's suppose I just write here sales dashboard. Sales dashboard. We can customize that the way we used to do in other places, like in other, especially we can format this. Actually, this is a formatting, and this I can place. So you can see we can add a text. And if you want to add the existing reports, so we used to have the option called chart or table, and this helps to add. So basically, the component has been replaced with this. So I just say account opportunities and case join report, and we can place a join. Let me say a new opportunity report, and you can see the report is created. And if you want, I can just go for and click on. So you can see we can add reports. So this is the way we can add a heading, we can add a text, and we can add a logo. That's used to display the company logo. We can edit that format and we can customize that. Stretch or fit. So that customizations can be done as on requirement. As you can see, we can display that and can. So this is to display the company logo, and we have a text option and the chart. And then we can prepare a complete dashboard. We can design a complete dashboard as on the client report. So these are the two new updates which have been released by Salesforce. Now, other than that, we used to have other options also. These options was also there in the existing one, like we have the 12 column recommended and the 9 columns. And other than that, we have the filter option, and we can save or delete that. So these are the latest updates which have been released by Salesforce in the dashboard in Spring 24 version. So that's all in this video. If you like this, don't forget to like this video. You can share this video. You can post your comment in the comment box below, or don't forget to press the bell icon to get the updates about new latest videos on Salesforce or other technologies. If you have any custom requirement on Salesforce training, you can reach out to us on the given numbers, or you can directly drop an email or visit our website for more information, more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.